Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Harry Redknapp will be one of the pundits out there now in world football and one of the coaches, experienced coaches for the EPL, for the Toxie, for the match where Arsenal will play against Liverpool for Anfield. If Arsenal won't collect 3 points for that match, they need to quieten the Anfield faithful, the Anfield crowd. Those guys, they're very, very vocal. You get so the way our own 12th men be for the Emirates Stadium, how our own fans they push our own players, they offer them support, they ginger them. Now the same way these Liverpool fans also they push them, and we must avoid some of the things, some of the antics of Liverpool players and Liverpool coach wey don't happen in the past. Where we say if they notice say Arsenal already score early goal or maybe na 0-0 be match, nothing they happen, and their own fans when they frustrated, they don't come they sing again, they just be quiet, put their hand like this, they vex, they watch match, they will come fight our player. And if our player can't react, the fans will come back alive. Sometimes you can club say go attack Ateta, maybe talk something, Ateta say go reply. So we must be very, very wary of all these antics. I think so they happen for football. Last season we were winning 2-0. I think it was Granit Xhaka and I don't know the Liverpool player, but what's happen? When they can't square up, they can't start. Before you know, fans don't come alive. You get Saturday scene never walk alone. Don't the ginger them. Before you know, the atmosphere just they electrifying. Wait till you know that bag 2-2. I think it was Firmino and Salah that scored. Then Gabriel Jesus and somebody else scored for Arsenal. I cannot, at whether Martinelli, I cannot remember right now. And that Firmino, he loves to score against Arsenal, although you know the Liverpool again. And when you check Liverpool team now, they get injury problem. I think that Alexis McAllister is injured. Then Ryan Gravenberch don't join the injury list. So I don't know, the middle of the pack. Well, let's just see. We have our own Declan Rice, so we'll see how things go. So I never know that Declan Rice, Havertz, and Odegaard will still control the midfield again. Well, we'll just see around the 23rd it will happen. Alright, so away from that, so you get one new competition where FIFA won't introduce, but this one for club level. So they call it Club World Cup. You get now that 32 teams will do for this level. Now 2025, they won't start this level. Now, from what you can hear now, Cafe Solocall for Sky Sports, now they analyze and explain how the competition will be and what will be the requirements to qualify. Now, to qualify, you need to have performed in UEFA competitions in the past 4 seasons. You need to have performed very, very well. As it be like this now, Chelsea and Manchester City don't already qualify for the competition. They get based on their antecedents in the last 4 years. We now, the only way we will qualify for the competition now if we win. Right now, if we win this one, we'll do now. We'll qualify. Then now only two clubs will qualify from a country. Like England now, only 2 clubs, 2 slots. So the likes of Liverpool, the likes of Manchester United, they are not part of it. They are not part of it in short of now. So now Chelsea, Man City now going to represent us when the maiden edition will start. Arsenal, unless we win. So many clubs also did. So as if I can let you know as they go, as things they progress, I will give them more clarity on this new competition, how it will be, get how long it will take. When they will say now after season don't end, they will come start and like more just know. And all these things are going to lead to more and more injuries to players, because players will be after season, because you know go dey mid-season now. Players will be saying they're supposed to dey rest after season don't end. They'll call it play another additional competition. Before you know, after the competition finish, highest 1 week, 2 weeks, they don't come back to pre-season again. League don't start again. But it's happen. Now won't kill them. So well, we'll just go watch that. Alright, so for the Champions League, so Arsenal will play Porto away first for the first leg. Remember saying that yesterday they do the draw, and when I was doing the evening show, I can't do a mistake. I can't say Arsenal will play the first leg at home. Now for Football London, I see the reports, and because when as they do on live, Football London they update them live. So that was where I first of all saw it. Now then post say Arsenal will play the first leg. I see they see the screen. I don't put the screenshot because I don't say I saw it somewhere. I don't just fabricate them from the back of my head. I knew I saw it from one of our sources. So Football London say Arsenal will play the first leg at home, then play the second leg at the Estadio Dragao. So when I come talk and people on top of comments and say, Arsenal, no, that's wrong. The first leg Arsenal is playing away, and truly, when Arsenal come later post them, you get they come post say Arsenal is going away. The first leg then the second leg will be played at home. So the correction, though I later update those videos for the comment section, say correction, will they play away first? Yeah, so I believe those way they talk say Arsenal they go away first, they were absolutely 100% correct. Football London, means if I don't comment for their page, say that thing, now error, then do they now misinformation. Yeah, so maybe they also correct that. It's still in their page as of this morning, said. But I go confirm that in this morning. It's still in their page. So I just have it. Alright, so Edu Gaspar will be Arsenal football director of football if you like. When they come outside they talk, say Arsenal are going to take Porto very, very seriously if they are to qualify to the round of 8. Like, we know they can't play, we know they underrate anybody. Forget say yesterday they tell them talk say pray for Porto, say Arsenal go win. Fine, truly, like me, the way I see them. These are the kind of games Arsenal love to play. Games against Sevilla, games against PSV. These are games where we don't give you an indication of how this one will go. Porto, I talk about yesterday, I will talk today. Porto will not be team they gang up against somebody. That is why I feel the game will be easy. Like Arsenal will exploit a lot of spaces. That's why I like this game. Fine, people don't mention say, Porto get defender Pepe, former Real Madrid, the guy good guy. When we play Sevilla, former Real Madrid legend who did there, Sergio Ramos. What's happen? So a tree does not make a forest. So I know the reason of this one. Pepe needs a formidable partnership to hold us down. I want to do it. Pepe himself never play against the people we get. Say Arsenal are carrying, say we small. Say Arsenal are small team. Those who they say, Porto is not a small team. We can't be small team. Say the wine. So Porto self they go cry say they meet us. They go pray say they meet one ship packer. But as they meet us, they say they happy say they meet us. The wine. We don't be small team now. So when the February reach, we will know how everything will unfold. Alright, so Paulo Xavier don't leave in role for Real Madrid as the Latin America scouts will be to come join Arsenal. So Arsenal actually recruits the guy to come give us some kind of talents, some young players from South America. Maybe just they identify them for say, see this guy who play for Corinthians, the guy good go sign am. See this guy who play for Sao Paulo, all those kind of level. Now go be in job and they say do am fantastically well for Real Madrid, but we say maybe we increase the salary. I don't know, but we don't poach him. He don't join us, so we'll just see who and who the guy go points for us. Make we sign. So I just be very happy. Welcome to the club, Xavier. Alright, so David Raya come outside from media set where they ask him say how the competition between him and Ramsdale be. You get so Baba they explain say almost saying don't make Ramsdale a better goalkeeper. You get say Ramsdale is now a better goalkeeper because two of them they push themselves. At the same time, Ramsdale is making him also a better goalkeeper because they push themselves for training. You get so all those rivalry people they talk for outside say them they block off all those things. They don't listen to outside world. You get so all those way they just say Ramsdale won't come out, Ramsdale want to do this, Ramsdale never come outside. I can't tell anybody say blah 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 blah. Unlike Ivan Toney now, we don't come outside for the media set, everybody know where they stand. Say see club where I want join, see club where I like, or see club where Ivan Toney now they poach Arsenal. Chelsea now they poach Ivan Toney. There's a difference. You get the player's preference is also key in where he is going to. But Ramsdale never come as I want to tell us say I won't come out. In fact, if you go back to the statement say Papa make, where Papa does say Ramsdale won't win trophies with Arsenal in the future. So when you hear statements like that, it shows that Ramsdale won't come out anytime soon now. And those they use the Euro as maybe leverage to say Ramsdale should leave. The Euro go if you go there and Benjamin go there at J. You know go even there for the second name in the pecking order of goalkeepers for England. So those when they use that and say, okay, they want to come up, when I just die off, get it will make sense to me just come and stay Arsenal. Get at the end of the season, I will discuss 1v1. Maybe next season now they will say, okay, Ramsdale, now you will play Champions League. Because I don't think they just continue like this. Next season, they will say, okay, Ramsdale, now you will play Champions League. Then Raya, now you will play the leagues. Or Ramsdale, if they play Champions League and Cup, then Raya will face league. So with that one now, Ramsdale say okay, Champions League and me get am, then he go come building confidence back. Maybe now what they will do next season. But if you continue like this, mashallah, the guy will leave for summer. Nobody go fit take all this one and say I no go to play league, I no go play Champions League, I only cup. Nobody go take am. Well, mo just see that one na my own opinion also. I no know wetin Ramsdale and Ateta go discuss. So mo just watch. Alright, so Harry Redknapp going to say Arsenal's acquisition of Declan Rice get na transformative acquisition. So since when this guy don dey play for Arsenal in ratings, you know they pass like minimum 8/10, now from 8 and above. Since when don dey play for Arsenal, say the guy good die. Say like it gives Arsenal this defensive and offensive stability. The way Arsenal they play, and this is not a lie. Now sometimes we say they visible, everybody they see him. Now true it be. Rice may not be scoring a lot of goals, but he's doing the defensive work, like dirty work. We say sometimes if you know they see him, sometimes we see him. It's like an unsung hero at times, but overall, be fun. They try big. Alright, so Jorginho also come aside based on injury updates where they ask us how far in foot injury. So Football London call the reports. So Jorginho say in day like it's getting better. So Jorginho is expected to return to, against the match we will play for Anfield against Liverpool. They expected to return. Now, whether he will start, that's a different ball game. We never know. But somebody will return. Yes, he could be on the bench for that match. Now, not only Jorginho gets injury, who they expect. Thomas Partey also is expected to return from his thigh injury in January. So Partey is expected to return. At least he's going to do some light walks, some jumping and all that. The thigh don't heal, so he's expected to return January. Then Julian Timber also, that one said they expected to return in the new year 2024. The early prognosis is January, but it could still extend to February. Who knows? But from the reports of Football London drop, they don't put a date. They just put early 2024. Then Fabio Vieira, remember I said that guy said get groin problem when he don't do his own surgery. He's expected to also return in the middle or late January. So this January now, like time we say majority of our injury players will don't come back. That is why I have to say by the time we will go play Champions League by February, we'll get a clean bill of health. People will don't come back from injury. As long as new people say no go join the injury table, more just they focus on those who don't there for the table already. We won't come back to the team. So let's just see how things unfold. Alright, another talk here now, they say Chelsea they prepared to step up their Ramsdale pursuits after Robert Sanchez will be their own goalkeeper sustained injury against Everton. Before they didn't say they don't really need this Ramsdale, but now they really say okay, this Robert Sanchez he don't get injury. Oh yeah, they need an alternative. It is either they go for what they call a Ramsdale or they go for De Gea. Get now with their own two options. Now away from that self, even Kepa Arrizabalaga where they play for Real Madrid on loan from Chelsea, that one said don't they for bench. I don't know what's happened. As a lot of on the bench, but the last 3 games now loaning and they play first 11. So that one called they scatter the plan of Arrizabalaga when they feel say at the end of the loan term they go buy him, you get outrightly. But it's not going to be possible because if them buy him in bench go long once Steve Okotua come back from an anterior cruciate ligament injury. So that loaning the thing shocked me because when the match they play against Villarreal, Baba they go bench. I don't know why now what's going to happen. Well, it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch today's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all last now update as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.